Work certified is 20 lakh, 1 lakh. There was a material costing 40,000 was destroyed. What is your formula? Notional profit into 1 by 3 into cash received divided by work certified. Cash received 75% of work certified. Uncertified is 1 lakh, totally 51. This is the profit in reserve carried down from the last year. So difference will come 6,24,000. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Grade College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Advanced Cost and Management Account for 5th semester BCom. The session goes Contract Costing. So, we have dealt in the last session 1 year contract, 2 years contract. Now we are going to deal with the 3 years contract. So I will repeat, 1 year contract is over, 2 years contract is over. Now we are going to deal 3 years contract. We'll move on to the problem now. So here your contract price is 75 lakhs and material used comes on debit side of the contract account. Wages, contract account debit side. Direct expenses, contract account debit side. Indirect expenses, contract account debit side. Stock capital credit side, contract account credit side. Plant issued, contract account debit side. Work certified, contract account credit side. Work uncertified, contract account credit side. Then there was a worth of rupees 40,000 was destroyed, which has been transferred to profit, that will come to contract account credit side by profit and loss account, stock destroyed, and there was a depreciation at 10% per annum on the plant issue. What is the plant issue? 15 lakh. Here, contract account. So, which year you are doing? Contract account for 2004. Contract price, 75 lakh. So, we'll go with the problem now. What's the material cost? 10 lakh. 2 materials. Cost is 10 lakh. It's an expenditure put on the debit side. What is next one? Wages. 2 wages. 8,50,000. Debit side. What is next one? Direct expenses. Debit side it will come 60,000. Then what is next one? Indirect expenses. What is the value of indirect expenses? 20,000. All expenditure will come on the debit side. Then stock of materials, stock of material side by materials at site 1 lakh, by material at site is 1 lakh. Then plant issued debit side 15 lakh. Plant issued is 15 lakh. What is next one? Work certified, work certified is 20 lakh, 1 lakh. There was a material costing 40,000 was destroyed. By profit and loss, materials lost 40,000. What is next one? Here, during the year, chart division 10% return. So, here now during the year 2004, material cost 15, chart 10% on the plant value. What's the plant value? 15 lakh. Plant at the end. That is the plant at the end. Plant value 15 lakh minus depreciation 10%. 10% of 15 lakh is 1,50,000. It comes to 13,50,000. See that? Material debit side, wages debit side, direct expense debit side, indirect expense debit side, material side credit side, plant issue debit side, work certified credit side, and so. So there was a distraction of 40 lakh and depreciation is charge on the plant. We'll add the credit side now. So 13,50,000. This is 13,50,000 plus 14,50,000, 14,90,000. What's a work certified? 20 lakh. Uncertified is 1 lakh. Here, closing balance by work in progress carried down. Work in progress carried down. A. Work certified 20 lakh. B. Work uncertified. Work uncertified 1 lakh. It is 21 lakh. Add the figure. Now, material side credit side, profit loss is a credit side. Your plant value at the end is 13,50,000. Your work certified is 20 lakh. You must be careful here. Your contract price is 75 lakh. What's your work certified? 20 lakh. 1/4 of that. 1/4 of 75 lakh means 18,75,000. More than that, no, you have to charge 1/3. What is your formula? Notional profit into 1/3 into cash received divided by work certified. Add the credit side. This is 21 lakh. This is 21 lakh plus 14, 34, 35 lakh. 21 plus, this is 13 plus 1, 14 lakh. That is 21 lakh. You make the total of this. No, total it will come 35 lakh 90,000. 21, 34, 35 lakh 90,000. 35 lakh 90,000. You go through the problem. Once again, you go through the problem now. 35 lakh 90,000. So difference is, you'll bring out the difference. 0, 0, 0. This is 0. 5 plus 6, 11, 12, 13, 16, 19. 1 plus 8, 9, 14, 1, 15. 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. It is 1,60,000. What is 1,60,000? This is notional profit. Notional profit carried down. I will explain. Your material is 10 lakh, direct expenditure. Your wages is 8,50,000 is a direct expenditure. Your direct expense and expenditure, indirect expenditure, plant issued is 15 lakh. Material at site 1 lakh. By profit and loss account, last is 40,000. Plant at the end 13,50,000. Work certified is 20 lakh. Uncertified is 1 lakh 20. Totally 35 lakh 90,000. Difference will work out 1,60,000. Your work certified is more than 1/4 now. You have to charge 1/3 now. By notional profit brought down 1,60,000. Debit side. 2. Profit and loss. 2. Profit and loss account. How to charge? Notional profit into 1/3 into cash received divided by work certified. What's your notional profit? 1,60,000 into 1 divided by 3 into what is your cash received? Stock of material, material use, contract price, indirect prices, work certified, prepare the cot. 80% he says, no. Here he will receive 75%. He is going to receive cash received 80% of the 80% of the work certified. What's your contract price? 75 lakh during the year, and material costing 40,000 will be paid. Here, cash received 80% of work certified. 80% of work certified. So, what's your work certified? Is 20 lakh. 80% of this you are going to receive. Okay. Here comes 80% of work certified. 80 by 100. 80% of work certified. Simplify this. 1,60,000. 1,60,000 into 1 divided by 3 into 80 divided by 100. It will come 42,666. 1,60,000 into 1 by 3. Here, work certified is, here, what it is? Here, 75% of work certified. Cash received, 75% of work certified. So, here I come back. 75% of work certified. Cash received, 75% of work certified. So once again repeat, cash received, 75% of work certified. Repeat, cash received, 75% of work certified. What's your work certified? 1,60,000 into 1 divided by 3 into 75 divided by 100. It will come almost 39,990. 40,000 will come. Bring out the difference. 1,60,000. 1,60,000. Difference is 1,20,000. What is this? Profit in reserve. Profit in reserve carried down. So, what is your cash received? 75% of work certified. It is 75% of work certified. So, your notional profit is 1,60,000. Formula, notional profit into 1 by 3 into cash received divided by work certified. This goes in favor of the last year. Next, we'll go to next contract here. 2004 is over. Then we'll go to 2005. Contract account of 2005 continued here. Contract account is continued here. The closing balance will come over here. What's your work in progress here? Your work in progress 21 lakh brought down. Work in progress brought down. Continuous contract 21 lakh. All closing balance has to be brought down to next year. What is the next one? This is over, 21 lakh. What's your plant value? Your plant value, 13 lakh 50,000. What's your closing balance of last year then? Here, material at site, materials at site. What's your material at site? 1 lakh brought down. This is all belongs to last year. All closing balance. This is over. This is over. This is over. Then here, how much profit in reserve carried down? So 1,20,000 by profit in reserve brought down 1,20,000. This belongs to last year. Then you put the current year expenditure now. First one, 2005. Two materials. What's the value? Materials, 12 lakh. Two materials of the 2005 is 12 lakh. What is next one you got? After material, this is over. What's wages? Wages, 11 lakh. Expenditure, 11 lakh. What is the next one? After wages, this over. What is next one? Direct expenses, direct expenses, here direct expense is 75,000. What is next one? See that? What is next one? Indirect expenses, 26,000. Indirect expenses 26,000. This over. What is the material at site? By materials at site. By materials at site. How much material at site? 80,000. What next? So this over. Plant issued gone. What is it? Work certified 50 lakh plus 1,60,000. Come back. Work in progress carried down. Work in progress carried down. Small a. Work certified. See that? How much work certified? 50 lakh. Plus B. Work uncertified. What's your work uncertified here? 1,60,000. It becomes 51,60,000. 51,60,000. What's your plant value? Plant at the end. Plant value 13,50,000. 13,50,000 minus depreciation 10%. 1,35,000. Deduct 305,121. 12,15,000 plus 5 plus 5, 10, 10, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 3, 5, 2 plus 1, 3, 1. 12,15,000. So I think you understand. Every year the plant has gone deficient, and the diminishing balance method means on the outstanding balance method, what's your balance you have got? 13,50,000 on 10% is 1,35,000. Work certified is 50 lakh. Uncertified is 1 lakh, totally 51. This is the profit in reserve carried down from the last year. This is last year work in progress brought down. Last year plant value brought down material. This year material is 12 lakh is there. You add the credit side figure. So 51,60,000 here credit side. 51,60,000 plus 1,20,000 plus 12,15,000. Any amount is there. Plus 80,000. So 65,75,000. 65,75,000 total. 65,75,000. So bring out the difference. This is minus 26,000 minus 75,000 minus 11 lakh minus 12 lakh minus 1 lakh minus 13 lakh 50,000 minus 21 lakh is equal to 6,24,000. 6,24,000 is the difference. 6,24,000 is the difference. This is notional profit carried down. So difference will come 6,24,000. If you want, I can explain once again. Work in progress brought down from the last year. Plant value brought down from the last year. Material at site brought down from the last year. True material of this year. Then wages of this year. Direct expense this year. Indirect expense of this year. If you come here credit side, by profit in reserve brought down, by work in progress of this year, by plant value at the end, by material side. Total is 65 lakh 75,000. The difference is come 6 lakh 24,000. By notional profit brought down. By notional profit brought down 6 lakh 24,000. Debit side. 2. Profit and loss. What's your work certified? 50 lakh. What's your contract price? 75 lakh. Half of means 37 lakh means more than 50%, less than 90%. Come back here. What's your profit? 6 lakh 24,000 into 2 divided by 3. Cash received is 75%. So 6 lakh 24, see the board? 6 lakh 24,000 into 2 by 3 into 75 divided by 100. How it work out? 6 lakh 24,000 into 2 divided by 3 into 75 divided by 100. It will come 3 lakh 12,000. 3 lakh 12,000. This profit transfer to P&L account is 3 lakh 12,000. Difference is 6 lakh 24,000. 6 lakh 24,000. Now bring out the difference. 0, 0, 0. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 lakh 12,000. This is profit in reserve. So second year is over. We'll move on to the third year. Here, how much profit in reserve? 3 lakh 12,000. What's your work in progress? 51 lakh 60,000. 2. Work in progress. Brought down 51 lakh 60,000. This is from the last year. See the last year. What's your closing? 51 lakh 60,000. What's your plant value? 12 lakh 15,000. Plant value 12 lakh 15,000. This goes to last year. How much profit in reserve? See that? How much profit in reserve? 3 lakh 12,000 by profit in reserve. That is 3 lakh 12,000. This goes to last year. Now, you have to put the expenditure of the current year. What's the material cost? 8 lakh to material. 8 lakh. What is the next one? Material over. Wages 6 lakh to wages. 6 lakh. What is the next one? 2. Direct expenses. 2. 40,000 to direct expenses. 40,000. What is the next one? This direct expense. So what is your indirect expenses? 18,000. 18,000. What is next one? Material at site, 60,000. Materials at site, 60,000. Material at site, 60,000. What is next one? Plant issued is not there. Work certified is full now. By contract account, contract price. What is your contract price? 75 lakh. Full amount. Any closing balance is there? See that? No. Full. Work uncertified, there is nothing. At full amount you are going to receive. What is your full amount? 75 lakh. We'll add the figure. This is 75. Add the, if you want, you can go through now. One is 75 lakh, 3 lakh 12,000. Add the figure now. This is 75 lakh. So work certified is totally, contract price is 75 lakhs is there now. We'll go through that particular problems now. Totally 75 lakh is there. Add the figure. 75. This is 3,12,000 is there now. By profit in reserve. By plant. Your value is contract price is rupees 75 lakhs is there now. Your contract price is 75 lakhs is there. So we'll come back to here. First year over, second year over, third year. Your contract price 75 lakh. So 3,12,000. 75 plus 3,12,000 is there now. Plus 60,000. Then plant value. Here 75,000. Plant value. What's your plant value here? 12,15,000 minus 10% of this. 12,15,000 minus 1,21,500. Deduct 10,93,500. 1,21,500. If you deduct now 10,93,500, 1,21,000. If you deduct now, it will come 10,93,500. Add the figure. 75 lakh plus 10 lakh, 85, 88. This is 500. This is 235. 1 plus 6, 7, 9, 16. 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9. This is 7 plus 1, 8. 89 lakh, 65,000. See the board? 89 lakh, 65,500. 89 lakh, 65,500. So deduct 89 lakh, 65,500 minus 51 lakh, 60,000 minus 12 lakh, 15,000 minus 8 lakh minus 6 lakh minus 40,000 minus 40,000 minus 18,000. Deduct this, no, the difference will come 10 lakh 52,500. 10 lakh 52,500. This is profit. I think no, 89 lakh 65,500, 500. This is 51 lakh 60, 0, 5. 5 plus 8, 13 plus 2, 15. 1 plus 6, 7, 8, 12, 13. 13, 3, 62. 1 plus 1, 2, 4, 12, 16. 1 plus 1, 2, 4, 12, 18. 1. We'll bring out the difference. Here, you bring out the difference now. Here, this is 500. Then 5 plus 8, 13. 5 plus 8, 13. Any wrong year, last year entry is there? No. 51 lakh 60. 0, 5. This is 18,500. 5 plus 8, 13 plus 2, 15. 1 plus 6, 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8, 12, 13. 32. 1 plus 1, 2, 4, 12, 18. 1, 19. 1 plus 5, 6, 1, 7 plus 1. 11 lakh 32,500. 11 lakh 30. To profit and loss account. Any amount left over, we'll see that. Here, one by one, we'll amount the leftover. You got 51 lakh 60,000. Material at site 80,000. Plant issued 12 lakh. Plant issued last year. What is the plant value in the last year? 12 lakh 15,000. 12 lakh 15,000 you have got. And this year, material 12 lakh 15,000. Your material cost 8 lakh. Labor wages cost 6 lakh. Direct expenses 40,000. Indirect expense 18,000. Here total is 89 lakh 65,000. Out of 89 lakh 65,000, we'll do once again. 89 lakh 65,000. 89 lakh 65,500 minus 51 lakh 60,000 minus 12 lakh 15,000 minus 8 lakh minus 6 lakh minus 40,000 minus 18,000, 11 lakh 32,500 to profit and loss account. This goes to contract. So we brought down here profit in reserve of the last year, material at side brought down by contract account, by planted the value 12 lakh 15,000, 1 lakh 25,000 become 10 lakh 93,500. There is a profit of 11 lakh 32,500. That goes to contractor. We'll move on to contract account here. So first year, your work certified is 20 lakh. He is going to receive 75%. By bank account, he is going to receive here 20 lakh. First year, this is first year. By bank account, you got 20 lakh into 75% cash he is going to receive. 75% of 20 lakh is half is 10 lakh, another half 15 lakh. To balance carried down first year, 15 lakh. Then this will go to 15 lakh. Second year brought down, by balance brought down 15 lakh. What's your second year work certified? See that? Work certified is second year 50 lakh. On that 75% he is going to receive. 50 lakh is there. 75% of this 50 lakh into 75 divided by 100 is equal to 37 lakh 50,000. Here, to balance carried down 37 lakh 50,000, 2 years. By bank, how much you have to write? Here, 37 lakh 50,000. Bring out the difference. Out of 15 lakh gone now. This is 50,000. 5 plus 2, 7. So this year he is going to receive 12 lakh 50,000. To balance carried down 37 lakh 50,000. Brought down to next year. By balance brought down. Here now. So totally 37 lakh 50,000 here. 37 lakh 50,000. To balance carried down 37. Brought down 37 lakh 50,000. To contract account 75 lakh. Out of that, how much you receive? First year 15 lakh. Second year out of 50 lakh. No. What will happen? I will tell you. 50 lakh. First year 20 lakh. Difference of 30 lakh. This year on that 75%. 75% of 30 lakh is half of 15. He is going to receive. Second year. So first year, how much he received? 15 lakh here. First year, he received 20 lakh. Second year, 50 lakh. Difference of 30 lakh. On that, 3/4 of that. 22 lakh 50,000 he is going to receive. 22 lakh 50,000. So totally it will come 37. First year 15 lakh, second year 22 lakh. It will come 37 lakh 50,000. Next 37 lakh 50,000. What's your contract price? 75 lakh. By bank, how much you are going to receive? Out of 75 lakh, another 37 lakh, half of this. By bank account, 37 lakh 50,000. Add the figure. This is 75 lakh. This is 75 lakh. How we receive? By bank, 75% of 20,000 is 15 lakh. carried down, brought down 15 lakh. This year, your work certified is 20 lakh. Here, 20 lakh become 50 lakh. How much more? 30 lakh. On that 75% is 3/4 means it will come 22 lakh 50,000. 22 lakh 50,000. Totally 37 lakh 50,000. That is nothing but 37 lakh 50,000 brought down. Another 37 lakh 50,000. 5 plus 5, 10, 1 plus 7, 8 plus 7, 3 plus 7. So another 37 lakh he is going to receive this year. So 3 years contract is lengthy, but one and the same. So what you have to do for how many years? 3 years. I think I've explained solely. So we have a 3 years contract. In the next class also, we'll have one more problem on 3 years contract. Then we'll go to the trial balance sheet. Then the next class, we'll discuss about the one more 3 years contract. Then we can switch on to the balance sheet. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.